Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial and I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona gold palette. I have another video like this with the Natasha Denona retro glam palette, I think. So if you want to see that, I'm going to look that up above for you guys. That video is more like a full face video, whereas this one is just going to be only eyeshadow. So I already have my base makeup on, my blush, my bronzer, etc. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take this shade here. I think this is called, let's see, Aria. I'm going to take the shade Aria with my 286S, my favorite blending brush, my crease brush from MAC. And I'm just going to apply this on my crease. And with a shader brush, I'm going to take the same shade, Aria, and apply that on my lower lash line. And with my fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges of that color on my lower lash line. And then with the Zoeva 231, I'm going to take this shade called, let's see what it's called, Python. I think it's called Python. So I'm going to take some of this shade and apply that on my crease, my outer crease. And then blend it out with my fluffy brush. And then go in again, add a little bit more. And then go back in with my fluffy brush. Do the same thing on the other eye. Blend it out with my fluffy brush. I want this shade to be a little bit more opaque on my outer lash line. So I'm going to take a shader brush and I'm going to dip into this shade, the same shade Phyton. I'm just going to pack this color up. And I'm going to take my fluffy brush to blend it out again. Okay, now with a shader brush again, I'm going to take the shade Aria, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that on my lash, on the rest of my lash line. My upper lash line. And I'm going to clean my shader brush a little bit, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to dip into the shade lime chrome, this one here. And I'm going to put that onto the rest of my inner corner, basically. With this tiny Sigma LO4 brush, this is a really useful detailed brush. It's very tiny and really useful for detailed work. I'm going to take this brush and dip into this shade Phyton, and I'm going to put that on my outer lower lash line a little bit. Do the same thing on the other side. And then take my fluffy brush to blend this out. And I'm gonna clean this brush a little bit, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is to dip into this shade called Aria. So basically I'm repeating what I did on my upper lash line on my lower lash line, right? So I'm gonna take and dip into Aria and just put this right here on my lower lash line. And then clean my brush again and then dip into Lime Chrome to connect everything together. And I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner and my inner lower lash line. Okay, this is the look. Let's add some mascara. I'm gonna use my Essence Lash Princess. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think this is super fancy, and all these colors on my eyes makes me mesmerized in the mirror. The teal colors, it goes well with my brown eyes too, so what do you think? So this is the end of this video, and if you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what other eyeshadow palette you would like for me to use to do an eyeshadow tutorial. And if you enjoy this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing all of that, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!